Hello, Daz Studio enthusiasts. Welcome back to Not From This World's tutorial series. Now, I just got a message and I thought, hey, I'm at the computer. I might as well just make a quick video about this. And it comes from my friend Willie33, who says he has a question about enlarging eyes. He says he can't find any dial, and how do you enlarge eyes? Well, Willie, I actually have done this before, and I'm going to show you how really quick. So the first thing that, of course, we're going to do is we're going to select our character, and I just popped Milica up here in a easy scene to get this video done quick. But select Milica, and then select her in the Parameters tab, and then you're going to drop down to Actor, and under Actor, just go to where it says Head, click on that, go to Face, and once you're in the face, you can drop down to Eyes. So then just do a search under Eyes for Size, and you'll get eye size. Now, once you have eye size, there's your dial. You can make her eyes bigger or smaller. You know, this is what Disney does. Disney makes their characters like Elsa and Rapunzel with large eyes because humans have an attraction to larger eyes. So you can vary the size of her eyes by going into your Actors tab. All right, I hope that helped you, Willie, and I'm going to get this video right out so that you can watch it. All right, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy rendering.